As you can see, this video has some background noise. If you want to remove the background noise of this video on CapCut, this is how to do it. Open your CapCut app, click on New Project, select the video that you want to remove the noise, click on it, click on Add. Now check if it is the video. Now the next thing you do is to select the video, then go down. You will see the noise. Now click on Reduce Noise. On it, you will see Reducing Noise. Click on it. As you can see, the background noise has reduced. Did you get something? If you did, follow me for more helpful tips. Bye.